how to verify a domain in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to the bottom left corner here where it says settings, right next to the gear icon. From here we go to domains, and here you can see all the domains you have listed. For example, this is your Shopify domain here. If you click on it, you can see further info about it. You can also add other domains you have purchased when you type in, when you copy and paste it in here to the search bar. You can also buy a new domain from here or connect an existing one. If you and now to verify it, when you buy a new domain, you will get an email on your email account which will ask you to go follow the link and to verify the new domain. So when you get this on your email, you just follow the instructions, you enter all your information, and then you click verify, and that should verify your domain, and then it should pop up here in this domain list. And that's how you verify your domain in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.